ye na ye ho ben hare yen na empo saa mia no akwan a SSA bebrebe ni nyina traffic empempi ya na ebope so e wo saa mia no ano atumi abrase na nipa kora tonto nuane ene ade wo honom a ya na honani ho nsensem wofo no wo mo atumi asosa no na ewom se ho man so de ba de e be kwan ya mpanimfo fa so yifiri honom e wo ya kwan so no entwe ye na mrase dwafo kora ni da kwan se saa asemi be ko omanim o mrase dwafie mu honom no ma di ho nkomo na so mbe giatumu a wo ma giatumu ansa na Rose Minister na tutu anamo akono akwa yi sa de na firi honom o ade anche e de ti se Road Minister de krata ba bonten se free na kono o se toto ahodo a e wo ga na ya kwan so nyina ye tutum na ye yidi firi honom ni nyina e san hyehye no a osofo sikasam no ntutu eso de kotu dwamra so gefiem ho man so de bebrebe duru bebi kra no na nipa binom e bontrene se beya Road Minister Kwesiam Akwata ne yemfa no nkogina court no onko chense mu ne nti a watimi ebu mra kese a etise sofise na wo se komra so gefiem na mra so gefo no gitumu ansa na san hyehye ne be ye adwuma akwakwa ye adwuma na nso ne nyina mu no enro na bande krata ba bonten se pam no twa no fa se kan bro fa dua bro wo ma akwakotena se akwarewa a plus ya kaka ne masie ne agiatum so se roto no sa babio na bua ma ban sikasam ene ne ntutuye etimi esipisita na roto no a eba no ena sese ntiti abato Sompa FM nsem jefa proso chese ntumu kakra di ekire se bia wo kai no eyetiko ena na wutua 50 pesos ya sese obetua bia 1 Ghana cedi na wo so na bia wutua 2 cedis ya obetua bia be 2 cedis 50 pesos no wa wutua 3 Ghana ososo hwe ne mu se wo kono akwakotua bia be 4 Ghana ana se bia 3 cedis 50 pesos ne adeadea na abusia yanko achi de yanko kaka ye ho kakra emra osofo sikasam no ntutu eso ko mrase gefiem na emre di kakra wode to mrase gafo nanim se mrase gafo gitumu a wo mu eyi roto e de Afri Ghana ya kwan nyina so no yanko ni nkuti finance minister Sabre no.
Our roads are being fixed. It is true that more roads have been fixed and are being fixed over the last 5 years than any relative period in the entire history of our nation. We even want to do a lot more, and this budget will cater for this. That is why for decades, governments after governments imposed and maintained tolls on some public roads to raise funds for road construction and maintenance. This is the situation in many countries. However, over the years, the tolling and impacted negatively on productivity. The congestion generated at the tolling points, besides creating these inconveniences, also leads to pollution in and around the vicinities. To address these challenges, government has abolished all tolls on public roads and bridges. This takes effect immediately. The budget is approved on appropriation. The toll collection personnel will be reassigned. The expected impact on productivity and reduce environmental pollution will more than offset the revenue.
Abusianti weye so afo hoye sikasa no ntutu so yero akeno friata sabre ne mra no ogina mra sebejafo anim no de ato wo manim se roto ahodo nyina wo mu yi ede afri honom anana eye ocheche nsemu de akere mra sebejafo no se mra sebejafo no gitumu a sade ne efri honom kra namba kai asabre no a wo de sansam no koto mra sebejafo anim no opani a na edom kuma wo mra sebejafiem na wo da wo ma no second for honorable Haruna Idrisu asore eye ne da bia ne kwase ye yifru honum na momo se ye pagam na ena ye se ye Ghana bibia digital enka no so ye nya ne digital se beye na beboa na apage sikasem na atwe sika pi e dia ma ban na empo oya ne so 250 Ghana ne atuma ko be 1 cedi a enka nserwe ye nkwa na sabre no so mra finance minister e de koto mra sejafo nanim na minority leader sore ye ene ne de feso e wo ho no ye nkuti Haruna Idrisu sabre no.
On the matter of toll booths, we want it reinstated, and we demand that toll booths be made functional and the revenues accruing from it made available for the Republic. They have no business, as if when you have the mandate to govern, you can just do as you please. Nowhere in the world will you travel and you not see functional toll booths. The the state have lost significant amount of money arising out of it. We think that it's only proper that is reintroduced and probably adjusted.
Abusia wa yamraso adwani o wamraso ye fie ma de so mo tamale south abaton peso so honorable Haruna Idusu ne yete nenka sa bre no a minority leader e no sorry ya what is ansem ye tu dwane nyina mu no Ghana ye to workers nyina wo mo ekuo kese e de ababonten se wei e ya sempa wono ma actives e komade wo ma check akra wo fie.
Yeah, the letter now security around Chese. The minimum of my share will be told. I'm tools, but I'm more down about workers, former workers, money in the faso. Your moon can once for now. Let's stick to Nyamudi P. Nyamudi P. Also, 2 rates, like you said, we also 2 rates are increasing. Yes, 2 rates there's a issue more. It is long overdue, so they're increasing.
Obziani din Eddie Openi eye Edward Dankana oye church for penny Eddie Magana 2 Workers Union.
Onmonyan for some kuje to abla kwaya no tomra shebejani wono kroya abajokoya shama from afrajuma dia so ma shebejafie no woka ho bi ena wo kire mu se bosha obehye ne be wie kire wode be kokwasa 70 minutes so de ne nka wa hye kura nkaye na wo ka no de kwakwo wie sa afi pepepe mu nie ena mampanyi na do de asokobɔ fam sa national cathedral ya ba be sini kakraka na yo de ahyenyankro pon ani munyam ekwa wie kire se ne contract ne ho nsensam ne ho sikasam kwakwaye no wonde wo susu de ama ban no se yenya kire die kura contract ni yentwam se ne be ya wo man ni sika kakra na da ho no ye betumi de abɔ Ghana ho bra na tumi aboa ye amanhye bi ye pese ye no Ghana ye durachiri
24 without any delays, without any suspension. Here we are on the first anniversary of suspension of works. Clearly this project cannot be completed. It cannot see the light of day. And instead of the president looking on whilst cost is accumulated, whilst we have to pay all of this extension of time claims, standing time claims, abortive and reworks due to suspension of works. It is time for this contract to be abrogated. It is time for the National Cathedral project to be cancelled. The Board of Trustees should be dissolved. The Secretariat should be closed down. Everybody should be asked to go home and let us save money. The millions of dollars that are being accumulated is not worth it. It's the most reckless and unconscionable thing to do at this time of our national economic predicament.
I was your way enough Tom Russia Bejani, you're some could you to Abla.
Na ne nua mraso adwani ono so so mraso agafie ma de so mo ta no for baton person so no Frida Prempedi atuga se wo mu so mayi ye wa hohiehiem ye wa hokyerem obi esu ahokyere na so ogide wa rehemu so man no nyine a ne ye nyini yesikasem toto na etuto ye eniema ba na eba fom ene petrobo esotia na etie Ghana ye sidi ne dollar no akansi a AC no gina na agina faako a etoda kra na watwe binum no ya na sidi no kra nya ho $1 no or the Sansami Tuja, Emro, Mrasoja Fona Shasie, Mampeni and Adudanko for the State of the Nation address here, what a cotton Mrasoja Fona Nimuno, or Mashasie, Edi de Hong Kong, and Honorable Frida Prempe at the Sansami Tuja Mrasoja Simenra.
The president rolled out a very important policy. That's the pre-senior high school. He rolled out another important policy, free TVET. Because of that, enrollment has increased. And enrollment, because it has increased, has to come with infrastructure. We've seen massive educational infrastructure across the country. We've seen massive infrastructure in all TVET schools, in all the 34 TVET schools in Ghana, including mine in Yamfo. My good friend, Honorable Haruna, would attest to the fact when he visits Yamfo technical school, you will see the difference. Hostels, resource centers, ICT centers, name it, computer laboratories, all across the country.
Why am Raso Jenny the man this year more turn on off about one person so.
On my for Alex Blanson, I am Marshall Johnny, the mother share work from about 1 person, so no, so Alpha Sa, when you're so much a chop for 1 person, so papa. Titrone one more bomb home or den work to watch a home. So about to me didn't see any metal shore at Charam Kodadi. Then I'm sure my watch was a whenever a teacher for Kayanum crying. Sunny a bay or my gun on machine. You bet to me a pigeon.
Motivation leads to the stability in the workforce. Motivation builds confidence among subordinates, improves work performance, secures loyalty, and reduces absenteeism and labor turnover. It improves the image of organization and consequently attracts competent personnel in an organization. Finding ways to increase motivation is crucial because it allows us to change behavior, develop competencies, be creative, set goals, grow interests, make plans, develop talent, and boost engagement.
And what you know, Deputy Minister of Education, one man for Reverend Tim for Joe, one also for Saquon, so it to addition for you now for Sastam Shano, one for whom and you be.
Buy a head as a mission, I'm from and Grana to me, and one son, a caterpillar, at the hydraulic system. Let me at the corn mill. I'm connected to electrical power. A year, Juma, said, my sink is here, Jumana, my bemu talent, a waha, and until no hair, a fine so science, technology, engineering, mathematics, society, 10 of them. I yet to take a mofra. So the way I am trying to invest in some. But to me, I invention. I just say for you now. That's it. We will be free promo. And I just with him. Now you do more such centers. I am special engineering student, talented students, gifted students. More son with you, and then more inventions. Now I'm working on we have state of the art facilities. And your teacher phones so better to one. But you know, you hear Albert Einstein. That to me, I am not free to
and what you know, overall best teacher, Madam Sarah Edwamankwa, one of the so Adasi say. Madam Sarah Edu Amankwa wano chradie ewo akrofom RC Primary School wano na basobode sonko ye kwaso no overall best teacher wode emano
ya de mokwa bato komisa ne mpenimfo atena ye na bato komisa ne mpenimfo ye nhihye so mbetwetwe wo mo a wo madi 18 years ya wo mo pese 2024 elections no mokoko to bie wo mo eba be nhihye no makwa akotwetwe mu nyina din e de akwa bato ngomanum se beye na saada ne duru ho no mu nyina betimi de wo mukukrumuti power akwa akoto aba ne bie na nhihye na bato komisa ne mpenimfo eye no wo mo de homra akwa akoto mra spegafo ne mo hwe ne mo se mra spega no ebeji atum na ne o mate asim otwe bewiata otwatwe nkrante nkwanta mampam hwe num ne adeadea akwakotwotwo Ghana fooding enhese omodi akoto mra spega fo num baako eyese obibia wadi 18 years anase bia bibinti wanti man twro udin ye ne u pesa u twro udin no wanfa bibia makra na gise Ghana card ena wo so de ba bedi aginamu be kire sampa wo ye Ghana ni mapansa na so be twro udin no makwa akotwro udin eno ho manso ansore pa evzendi simra spega fo na sore se nya de atweke wo mbete ase amasa de no atima ba wo sa bato komesa ne mpenimfo ye nhyehyeye na ebia birth set num asubo krata obi kratimi bedi aginamu mameye se bia me yabo ama meti hayi woni me pa me ma me ni wo gire otentonso me ye Ghana ni a efini kikawa bia enimi ho sa ne ma ne nyina bato komesa ne mpenimfo kyese wo ma kwan e ma sa ne ma ne nkoso Ghana card nko a e na ade beba na yetimi agina so de atwere odin ano no Penny Johnson se dun ketia we national chairman de mandisi amanyuko no e kyere se ekobasa na ne yesebe mpredua sa bodamfo mukuta Ghana card nyina ebeko no makwa akotwotwo mu di akoyi president ne MP amaye.
It's like somebody who declares that he doesn't want to eat maize or corn, and yet he can eat kenke or banku. The Because if they believe that the guarantor system, the argument has gone 360 degrees. When they were thinking about using the guarantor system for the procurement of the Ghana card, we were insisting that we already have the old register, which is biometric and which covers everybody from 18 years and above. So that is the biggest biometric database you had. The banks had bought into it, and
I was your Penny Johnson as you don't get ya and not yet in Canona. Saudi away your Penny Johnson as you don't get ya a casafa honsai and the abato comments and penny for yet in some and it tin to say, Omo the Ghana card and Kwan Equaco register manfua, then the Abadan food in a barbitro mudino, and Titia Abatos on performance and chef up no such as say political parties are doing in a meeting akwa jiatum se electoral commission ne kwaso ano no se nedie ye trudi de Ghana card eye na opani Kofi Akpalu ene kasa e de ma sa electoral commission political parties ni nyina na nsem odi tu dwane nyina ye ko all the political parties ena ye ko tena se edwindwini se aba ye le try die ni e se CI ADCI ne ko na e ko to aba no ene be guide ye tena se de say sa echinia ya na bawo bakimu titi ye trudi padi na obeti say obi di ababo no nku obi apra obi ni adade no aye tu so dia ade kuma branti de benefit ti onu te aye ko do ya better say that ni omo de omo order the is true e ni na e tu go be and then on Ghana card abeye that be crack obi bi e wo Ghana bia person obi bank account and na oyi su asan e bia account man Kofi Akpalu and a year founder Edema Liberal People's Party, Liberal Party of Ghana, na attending can LPG, Liberal Party of Ghana, and on the political parties are doing na yeka UNDC Tunchania parties are doing na and the Kojitu Musi for Ghana card no and in church amount food no and a Kofi Akpalu chese meeting no wasibi no munina ne Kojitu.
A coalition of individual bondholders, one must my buying on shred ya na watche. Sa one bond once and some ne munyana mu ababa tosrono. Sa bano and shana when chia, one more ebe pushum ho ye pa. Na pensioners bondholders forum, penny pa ya would do one money moon. Doctor Adu Anane Enchi. And one is from Paka City in Coma. Watch us as I buy no person do one mudia pro. Then also should be a nyatia, Ombeshiamano.
If you are the unfortunate, any difference.
No credit.
It was so betia. It is a Jordan Yawadan back no chia and another it's your opportunity. You may do your say a man say, and do Yawada you bring I am point you might be. That's the chia and I have a fire point. But if you do one chia, any idea for the other. I bring a more also actually. A BDA February, a BDA 17, and I say so on the 5th March, so it be amateur. This when I buy no, my sister almost asset. So
I was on your turn and can I pensioners bondholders forum, Panipa, Yawa do one money more. Doctor Edu Anane Enchi. Na Doctor Aya Richmond etu ahina ono so wabene wo sikasam no ntutu mu sa bondo nsemia ene sikanete atia kamu a finance minister Ken Ofuriata ntimi ntua ma ye mere wane ye nkokora na no wo kire se oh we di ogide wa rehemu se hwe be enu fiada de na ban etuetu ase sikane nyina de afi ho no mo a ye mere wane ye nkokora no obenya kakra e de akokotuto mu nduru ano no mo.
Looking at the complexity of the difficulties surrounding it, and even the voluntary issue where we only have to get about 83 or 87 billion, you can see there is a lot of resistance. But those holding the bonds, so far as it's giving them assurance, I know time value of money, time of money today is not the same as yesterday. All that, like the American professor said, we need to exercise restraint and see. I'm sure by the close of the week, the finance minister would have settled all those who are due. So we shouldn't I don't think I'm not saying panicking, but we should also exercise restraint so that the payment is done at least. I'm sure by Friday, people will receive their coupons.
no na Dr. Richmond etu ahene eche so wabro so a enkonkodu fiada de na omusika no akekam ni ade bondo no na aban tuatua de afiri ho no ma eno anwumre kra samba kaya ye kase mu no ye Dr. Duana na yantwide tu ye nim se finance minister and the krata bro mo se omunya abotre abro so aya wada de obetua sika no ede ama wu no mu a omo ehwe ne mu se sika no mo nsa ebeka busua ye hye mo bosa asem ye ne de eche de bifra to bia no ye mfa enkame mo ye mfa kase no so nsia ene uku ada wo frɛ no wakawasem o kawasem dwumadie so anopɛ Sompa TV ene Sompa FM so yene ye so manopɛ na ya bo amalibia boga mene
akosia aje wakode buatin
aji mafuya meya you say hepatitis